Gonna take care of another family, setting them up with TV over the fireplace and a sound system. Let's go handle. What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in your Belinda, California, here to help out a great couple to redesign their living room. They want to have this LG OLED 4K TV installed over the fireplace with a soundbar speaker. Check this out, Nakamichi. Nakamichi takes me back to the good old days, but who would have thought? They're still in business making soundbars, but they're not satisfied with the sound. So I'm going to be upgrading that soundbar and replacing it with a Sonos or Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker and a bass subwoofer. But of course, I first have to get into getting the wiring done, and getting it done the home tech expert way. The in-wall wiring, the drilling, the drywall repair work, the sanding, the texturing, and the touch-up painting. The way that I like to get it done to make it seem like the house was originally built and ready for that TV and that sound system right over the fireplace. All right, so check this out. It's coming out pretty sweet. So now I got the in-wall wiring done, the drywall repair work, the sanding, and the texturing. So now it's time to remove that LG TV from the adjacent wall and move it over and mount it over the fireplace. And all I had to do was add a soundbar bracket for the Sonos Arc soundbar speaker, but I continue to use their current TV pull-out bracket, which is kind of nice. You can get behind it. And as you can see, the furniture got moved around to just the way that they want it, keeping the fireplace the focal point. So I let it dry overnight, and I came back the next morning in order to be able to do the touch-up painting. Luckily, they had some extra paint inside of the garage. So once the paint is dried, it's going to just blend in beautifully, and you won't be able to tell where I did the drilling and made all the holes. Look how clean it looks right back here. It's the way that I like to do things, the home tech expert way. If you want to get something done professionally like this in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on schedule a free estimate. Thanks for watching.